Okay, guys. This is my first trade for the week. Today is Tuesday, and I'm currently selling US 30. So let's see how this trade plays out. Because we are in deep in drawdown, I'm just risking 30 USD on this particular trade. Um, so let's see how it plays out. I'm currently having network issues. Okay, so my network is back. So in this particular trade, this is a 1:3.3 RR trade. I'm roughly a 1:3 RR trade. So let's see how it plays out. I'll definitely update you guys. I'll possibly be swinging this trade, possibly, or possibly because this setup just came some few minutes ago, and today is almost done and dusted. So I'll be holding this trade for as long as it gets. If it doesn't take us out on SL. Okay, guys. Today is Wednesday, and this is the update of the trade we took yesterday. Trade is about taking me out, as you can see, but we're having a reversal. We are seem to like having a reversal back to entry, but let's see how it plays out. I really don't know why market is not respecting the resistance level, but it's all fine. Let's just allow the market to do what it wants to do. I just thought to update you guys. The trade is still active. I'm still holding the trade. As you can see, it almost took me out right here. Can you see? It almost took me out on SL, but it's currently reversing. So let's just see how it plays out. I'll still hold the trade. If this trade hits SL, this will be all for today. I really don't see any entry possibly. But just like as I said earlier, I would update you guys. So the trade is still active. I'm still holding. I would keep you guys posted. Okay, guys. So this is the update of the trade, guys. As you can see, price has finally crashed below my entry level. Okay, so let me just show you guys the reason why I'm holding this trade. So as you can see right here, initially, remember I told you guys, as you can see, obviously it almost took us out, but it finally came back and dropped down to our predicted direction. So I'll still be holding this trade. Today is Wednesday, and this is currently 12 minutes past 9 p.m. West African time. So I'll keep on holding this trade. The major reason why I'm holding this trade is because of this break of structure that you see right here. So it's still pointing to the fact that there's every possibility that the market will still drop, right? And another thing I did was to reduce my SL. So you see this red line here, this is my new SL level. Okay, I'm not using it as my SL again. I've reduced it to this level. Okay, so that's my new SL level. Initially I was risking about $30 on this particular trade, so I've reduced it to about $15 now. So just risking $15 on this particular trade. So worst case scenario is if the market decides to go back, tap on this level, I'll be out with minus 15 USD. That's the implication. So with reduced risk on this particular trade, I still expect this trade to dump. I still expect it to dump. So I'll be holding this trade till tomorrow, being Thursday. If the market decides to take us out on SL before Thursday, I'll still update you guys. Okay, but currently this is what the chart looks like. Um so that'll be all for today, guys. I'll keep you guys posted as usual. See you guys later. Okay, guys. This is the update of the trade we took since we held this trade since yesterday, and market has just been behaving funny. Okay, so let's go back to the 45 minutes time frame. So price is currently a little below our entry level. Now this is what I did. I had to adjust my SL again to this level. Okay, so this is my new SL level right now. Initially it was here, so but I've cancelled it. So my SL now is here. I'm not really risking all that I was supposed to risk. So this is just some few seconds to New York Open. Let's see what the volatility would look like. Today is Thursday, like as I already said. So this is what I'm envisaging right now. I'm seeing this as a head and shoulder. Okay, this is the head, so I'm just expecting a retracement then to the downside. So let's see, the market can choose to do otherwise, but most important thing is risk is already managed. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if there will be New York volatility that will push market to the downside. Okay, so I just thought to update you guys. So we just have some few. Okay, so this is 12:30 p.m. West African time. So let's see what happens. I just thought to do this recording. Let's see if we can record, if we can get it on live recording. I'm kind of optimistic about this trade because of this rejection that I'm actually seeing right here. There's a fair value gap right here, and price is currently respecting it. Price did something, tapped into it, and seems like it wants to start dropping. So that's why I'm a little bit optimistic about this trade. Remember, this is the only trade I've taken this week. This is the only trade I've taken this week. We entered this trade since Tuesday, held it all throughout yesterday, and today is Thursday. Man, it's so funny. So let's see how it goes. Anything that makes market to come back to this level, then definitely I know it's gonna hit SL. Anything that makes price to come to this level, it will definitely hit SL. That's the way I'm seeing it, except maybe something else happens and market decides to reverse. But I expect this fair value gap right here to hold price and take it down. And of course, if this head and shoulder pattern wants to hold, then it should come down. It should definitely come down. So let's see. But New York Open is not really showing much volatility as I thought it would show. It's not really showing much volatility. So maybe I'll just have to pause this recording. Okay, guys. So I'll pause this recording, and I'll come back later to show you guys the updates. Since we really don't have much volatility right now, I'll pause the recording and I'll show you guys the update later. I just thought to show you guys what the market is currently doing. Okay, guys, so this is the update of the trade. Remember, we took this trade since Tuesday. I'm currently recording this on a Friday. Today is Friday, so we held the trade all through yesterday till now. And as I'm talking to you right now, guys, I've closed this trade. I've already closed the trade. Just imagine holding a trade from Tuesday till Friday, and it reverses to go and take you out on maybe break even. I didn't need to take that chance. Okay, so I've already closed this trade in profit. I took a 1:2.32 RR trade, so basically just a 1:2 RR trade, and it's perfect. I'm so super excited about this trade. Remember, we reached $30 on this trade, basically, right? So I think I closed with a profit of about $63 or so. So the trade actually did well. There's several possibility that it might still come to my predicted TP area, but I don't want to take the chance, guys. Let me show you guys something. I don't want to take the chance. This is the reason why I'm actually closing. I was supposed to close here. I wanted to close here, but as you can see, this is a fair value gap and price is still reacting to this area. So it might reverse, it might still continue the bearish movement, but since I've already gotten a 1:2, I think it's fine. My initial exit was this area, guys. I was targeting a 1:3, but since the trade delayed too much and price is currently hovering around this area, I just had to close and just make do with the profits that we have. So I closed in profit in this particular trade. Just thought to update you guys. So today is Friday. It's a good one. We'll just see what happens. If I see a very good setup again before today ends, I will definitely record and show you guys. But for now, this is just the only trade we've taken out throughout the week, and it's a very good trade. Just thought to update you guys. So definitely, whatever happens before the end of today, I'll let you guys know. Okay, guys. So today is Friday, and I'm currently on the trade, as you can see. But before then, let me show you guys something. This was the previous trade we closed on a 1:2, right? Sorry. Let me show you guys properly. So this was the trade we closed on a 1:2.3 hour trade. Remember, we made $63 on this trade, right? Can you see that trade finally went to hit my predicted TP area? You see, before reversing to the upside. So it simply means my prediction for this particular trade was spot on. Regardless, we close with a 1:2, which is still very much fine. That's for that now. But currently I'm on this sell. Okay, so the trade just tapped some few minutes ago. Okay, so but as you can see, this is 7:50 p.m. and this is almost just some few hours to close before the market will close for the week, right? Today is Friday. So what's going to happen is, since this trade got to my entry level very late, I'm going to hold this trade till next week. I really didn't want to do this, but it is what it is, guys. Trade is already active, and I'm going to be holding this trade till next week. So currently trade is active on my MC5. So this is how we ended the week. I'm going to be showing you guys screenshot of all the trades we took. Of course, we just took only 2 trades, which is this one and this one that's currently on now. So in real essence, it simply means I only took 1 trade for the week. I'll show you the screenshot of the trade on the left and right corner of the screen, so that you can see the progress so far. But currently, at least we ended the week in profit. I just thought to show you guys. So that's all for the week, guys. If you're new to the channel, my name is Michael, and I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube. I'm trading a 10k Fundednext 2-step challenge account. And although we are currently deep in Jordan, but we are hoping to come out of Jordan this week, we only took just 1 trade, and it ended as a winning trade. Currently we are on this trade, which would hold till next week. If you sort of like content like this and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel and like the video. For my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you, guys. I so much appreciate your support, and please, let's do well to take this channel to at least 1,000 subscribers. I have a whole lot of people watching my videos but yet to subscribe. Guys, please, your subscription would encourage me to keep on documenting my journey here and showing you guys the reality of trading. So that will be all for the week, guys. See you guys next week. Bye.